Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Moongate token. Now the Moongate token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting November 28th on a very big central exchange. Ticker symbol is MGT. We're going to go over the information on the Moongate token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is, well, you can see their Twitter right here has a gigantic Twitter following, 237,800 Twitter followers at Moongate. Gold verified checkmark, 1,341 tweets. And it says, attention asset protocol for real world activations transforming the value exchange between consumers and brands powered by the MGT token. Then they have a full link tree there that'll take you anywhere you need to go. And it was just announced recently on Twitter that this token will be listed on a very big central exchange November 28th at exactly 12 p.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you can open an account on your PC at gate.io. Then you would go into after you fund your account with USDT, then you would go into the trade section on the 28th and search MGT, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, in that link tree, you're going to find their socials. You're going to find the web page. You go to the web page, you're going to find even more links. So basically, everything you need is going to be on that Twitter right there and in that link tree. So Moongate is an attention asset protocol disrupting the $1 trillion plus attention economy. The protocol consists of two key layers: a utility layer for any brand to issue smart tokens to drive real-world engagement, and a data layer for users to monetize their engagement data. Moongate protocol aims to disintermediate centralized platforms and maximize brand consumer value. It also introduces an innovative engage-to-earn mechanism that promotes active consumer participation for brand rewards and a share of MGT token emissions. Moongate protocol consists of 4 key modules: the Moongate campaign, a no-code engine to issue smart tokens with real-world use cases like NFT tickets, memberships, digital collectibles, which is like instead of physical, it's digital, and MoonPass, a decentralized ID with rarity stamp and reputation score that accumulates rewards. Moongate rewards, a marketplace for consumers to selectively and securely share data to brands for rewards. And Moonpad, a brand meme coin token launchpad. So their market opportunity, it says here, internet is a marketplace for attention. A competition for attention is growing exponentially. 3 key challenges are presented in the current attention economy. So declining effectiveness of traditional advertisements, waning loyalty program engagement, and exploitation of consumer data. Now their solution, it says, Moongate addresses key market challenges through our innovative attention asset protocol, focusing on 3 core elements: At the heart of our solution are smart tokens designed to cut through digital noise and capture consumer attention effectively. These tokens serve as a powerful interactive brand touchpoint in an oversaturated digital landscape. By offering immediate, tangible value and real-world utility, our tokens transform passive advertising into active engagement, making brand interactions more memorable and impactful. Whether as event tickets, loyalty points, or exclusive memberships, these tokens demand attention by promising and delivering real benefits, effectively solving the attention crisis facing many brands today. Also, we seamlessly blend the attention-grabbing power of our smart tokens with practical real-world applications. Now, this integration ensures that the initial attention capture translates into lasting engagement and tangible value for both brands and consumers. Our tokens go beyond mere digital collectibles. They function as keys to experiences, discounts, and privileges in the physical world. This bridge between digital engagement and real-world value not only maintains consumer attention, but also drives meaningful interactions and brand loyalty. And lastly, Moongate revolutionizes user experience by consolidating diverse profiles and omni-chain wallets into a single user-managed decentralized identity, a DID. Now, this DID forms the foundation of the Moongate reputation, incorporating on-chain and off-chain assets and interactions. The score enables brands to permissionlessly and trustlessly offer targeted advertising and benefits based on user credentials without intermediaries. Users maintain self-sovereign ownership of their digital identity and credit score, gaining unprecedented control over their data while accessing personalized rewards across platforms for brands. The system provides a powerful tool for precise audience targeting and engagement, enhancing marketing efficiency while respecting user privacy. The Moongate ecosystem thus creates a win-win environment, fostering direct data-driven interactions between brands and consumers in a decentralized, user-centric framework. So they also have products like the Moon Pass, the Moon Pad, Moongate Rewards, and the Moongate campaign. And you can read all about that on their white paper, which is at moongate.gitbook.io. You can go over the whole overview of the infrastructure, the AI agent, identity and reputation layer, attention asset, assurance and integration. They have an application where you can learn about ticketing and membership, meme coins and digital collectibles. And then we have the token. They also have a huge roadmap you can go over. But the token can be used staking rewards, moon stamp upgrades, attention asset purchases, token campaign creations, data platforms, and gas fees for future L2s. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project and this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.